In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your website on Lovable. By the end, you'll have a live link you can share and a clear understanding of each step from login to launch. First, open your web browser and search for Lovable. Look for the official website in the results and head to the home page. From there, click Login. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Email. This option lets you access your account using your email address rather than a third-party service. Enter your email carefully so there are no typos, then click Continue. Next, type your password. If you use a password manager, this is a good time to let it autofill to avoid mistakes. When you're ready, click Log In to access your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see a prompt box where you can describe the website you want. This is where Lovable shines. It uses your description to generate a site for you. Be specific about the purpose, style, and key sections. For example, you might write, "Create a clean personal website with my name, photo, and contact section." Clear prompts usually produce better results, so include any important pages or tone, like modern, minimal, or bold. After writing your prompt, click Send. Lovable will process your request and generate a draft website for you. Give it a moment to build, then use the built-in preview option to review what it created. Walk through the pages, scroll the entire layout, and check headings, images, and links. Read the text out loud to catch odd phrasing, and make sure the contact section and any buttons behave as expected. If something looks off, you can adjust content, swap images, or tweak styles right in the editor until it matches your vision. Take a final pass in preview to ensure spacing, colors, and mobile responsiveness look good. Try narrowing your browser window to simulate a phone screen and make sure everything stays readable and clickable. When you're satisfied with the result, click Publish. This pushes your site live so others can view it. To confirm everything's working, copy the link Lovable provides and paste it into a new browser tab. Load the page, click through each section, and verify the content displays correctly. You can also share the link with a colleague to get quick feedback and ensure it works on different devices. That's it. You searched for Lovable, logged in, described your site, previewed and refined it, published, and verified the live link. You're now online. Great work.